You've just closed a deal, that invoice is out the door, and now you're eagerly awaiting that sweet, sweet cash flow. But how exactly does that money actually get into your Xero account? It's a crucial step, and today we're breaking down the ins and outs of receiving money in Xero. Xero is a powerful cloud-based accounting software, but even the best tools can be a bit confusing if you don't know how to use them properly. Receiving money is a fundamental part of any business, and understanding how to record and track that income within Xero is essential for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring smooth cash flow. Key concepts. Understanding bank feeds. We'll start by exploring the power of bank feeds. These automated connections between your bank account and Xero streamline the process of recording incoming payments. We'll discuss how to set up bank feeds, reconcile transactions, and troubleshoot common issues. Manual entry of receipts. Sometimes, bank feeds might not capture every transaction. We'll cover how to manually enter receipts into Xero, including creating a new receipt, selecting the appropriate account, adding relevant details like invoice number and customer name, attaching supporting documents like bank statements or receipts, applying payments to invoices. Once the money has been recorded in Xero, you need to apply it to the correct invoices. We'll demonstrate how to quickly and easily apply payments to outstanding invoices, handle partial payments and overpayments, track the status of each invoice, e.g., unpaid, partially paid, paid in full. Using the Receive Money screen. Xero's Receive Money screen is a dedicated tool for recording incoming payments. We'll explore its features, including receiving money against an existing invoice, receiving money without an invoice, e.g., for cash sales or refunds, generating receipts for customers, tracking A/R aging, understanding your accounts receivable, A/R. Aging is crucial for managing cash flow effectively. We'll show you how to generate an A/R aging report within Xero. Analyze the report to identify overdue invoices and potential cash flow issues. Take proactive steps to improve your collection rates. Tips and best practices. We'll share some valuable tips and best practices for receiving money in Xero, such as setting up automated payment reminders to customers, reconciling your bank accounts regularly, utilizing Xero's reporting features to gain insights into your cash flow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.